Hi, Angus Bradley from Projectfusion. Just wanted to give you a look at Projectfusion 3 coming in March this year. So we're just going to spend 5 minutes and look around the main aspects of the service. First things first, you'll see every user who logs on to Projectfusion gets a dashboard. This gives them access to what's happening across all the sites they're members. So there's me, Dave the boss. Quick profile. This is my profile, which is shown to anybody I'm actually collaborating with. Here we've got some of my favorite documents I'm actually looking at or working on. This is the activity stream. This is a new concept for us, showing in all the areas we're working what everybody else is doing. So I can see Molly creating a blog post, remind myself what Molly's doing. Oh, there's her profile, okay. And there's Angus updating a blog post or creating a calendar event. And you'll notice across different sites. So with Projectfusion 3, instead of everything in one area, we introduced the concept of sites. And we can have as many, when you purchase a Projectfusion, you can host as many sites as you want. So here, for example, I'm Dave Smith. I'm working with law firm Projectfusion, and I've got access to 4 sites. Let's look at the BP share repurchase. So again, each site has got its own dashboard. This can be changed by the administrators to reflect a particular color scheme. In this case, we put a BP logo up there and a nice little welcome message. And again, we can see what's been happening just in this site. Angus created a calendar event, and Molly's updated some documents, one of the ones I'm looking at. Now let's go straight to a document. So documents, or the document library, is core to Projectfusion. With this release, we can store multi-terabytes of information per client, and as you're used to, every document automatically previews on screen. Nice little flash viewer. Let's just zoom in and have a look around. We'll preview pretty much any document type, Apple documents, PC documents, pretty much anything you can upload on it. A nice clean activity stream on the right hand side. We can see myself uploading a timetable and a reversion of it going on there. Let's go back to the document doc sets folder. In the folder, nice clean interface, thumbnails of documents and images as they come up. Let's go into the first document set. Also, you can see on the right hand side here a version number showing what version of document it's at. So again, with this document, we can see there's been quite a bit of work on the versions. We've also brought comments in. Easy to leave a comment and get a hold of a comment stream. And of course, to work with the document, very easy to full screen and scroll through and see what's happening. Okay, so that's looking at the document library. Okay, here you'll also see we've got a journal. In this case, it's really effectively a blog. So we can see all the posts, what's been happening. People may use this to keep a track of what's happening with a transaction or look at board meeting minutes, for example. We've also got a calendar. Here we can see not much on. Last week a meeting in Cabot Square. This comes with an iCal feed. You can pull iCal feeds into Microsoft Outlook and also into Apple Mac. Agenda, just another view of the data so we can see what's going on. And you can subscribe, as I say, to these calendars so they appear on your desktop. In a collaborative space like this, we've got a members list as well. That shows us all the people who are working on this site. Okay, let's go back to my dashboard. Again, everything can be customized, so let's just I'll change the settings of this a bit. Let's add a calendar view so my calendar comes up on my home page. There you go. There's my key dates coming ahead. Let's look again a bit more depth at the document library. So I've got my sites. Let's go to Dave's site. Straight into the document library. Made it really easy to actually create content. So if I've got a couple of documents to upload, let's just create those now. There's a PowerPoint and a couple of wind farm documents. Let's drag them on. So there's the document. It's up. Oh, 69 pictures. Let's change that. That's not a very nice name. Easy to change the names, edit things in line. Just a little edit comes in. Get rid of WinFarm. So it's becoming easy to edit things on screen. And everything you upload obviously gets a thumbnail here when things are caught up. Let's click on Document Library again. Okay, so we can see nice previews that come to the documents we just uploaded. Let's look at that PowerPoint presentation. See if I missed anything. Okay. So yeah, there's a PowerPoint presentation. All comes up. A couple of things actually worth noting. We can easily be used for disaster recovery. Everything's held in Europe in redundant data centers, so your data is very safe in the event of an outage. Sync is something we'll come on to again in another presentation, but very easy to synchronize your servers up with Projectfusion, and very easy to synchronize Projectfusion with your iPads and iPhones. That's something we've looked after with this release. And that probably ends today's demonstration. If you'd like any more information, do drop me a line or come back here to the blog and we'll be posting regular updates. Thanks a lot.